Jeff Turner Training, Networks. So, what is a network? Imagine you use just one device. Let's say, for example, a laptop. If you're just using one device, do you need a network? And the answer is no. But what if you want to connect your device to other devices? Then you need a network. And these devices could be local to where you are, or they could be devices spread around the globe. The network could be any of the following. It could be a cabled network, where you have devices and the devices are connected together using some form of cabling, each device being connected to the cable. It could be a Wi-Fi network, where each device uses its own Wi-Fi capability and communicates across a wireless network using the equivalent of radio waves to communicate with each other. It's important to realize at this point, a cabled network, firstly, is much more robust and it will be faster because the cable is more stable. Wi-Fi networks are prone to being affected by other devices. They could also be affected by the weather. They could be affected by other household items like fridges or TVs interrupting the Wi-Fi signal. So sometimes your Wi-Fi may appear to run very badly. That's just because either your location is not a good one or there is some kind of interference on the Wi-Fi. You may want to connect to the internet. Now, you can connect to the internet using either Wi-Fi or a cable connection. They'll still work. But in order to connect to the internet, you need to connect to a network supplier's hub. This could be a home hub that you have installed in your own house or flat or wherever you live. It could also be a provider's hub shared by a company like a coffee shop or maybe a cinema or a restaurant where you're using their network, but they're allowing you to connect, usually using Wi-Fi. It would be very rare to be able to connect to those networks using a cable. The network supplier's hub will be connected to a main network supplier who will also have connections to networks around the world. This is the internet, the connectivity between all of these networks around the world. So the internet is not all of the devices, the internet is actually the network that connects all of those devices together. So in conclusion, networks can use a wireless, which we refer to as Wi-Fi, or a cabled connection. A network is one or more devices connected together. And the internet is a network that connects a range of networks around the world, effectively allowing all of the data to transfer between devices. To connect your device to the internet, you must first connect it to a local network. This could be your home network, provided by a network provider, or it could be a shared network being made available by some kind of company, like a coffee shop, or a restaurant, or a cinema. As long as you can connect to the internet, you then have access to all of the information on the internet. So this is Jeff Turner Training. Thanks for watching.